welcome back to my channel. Today my sister Shannon
Hi guys.
and I are going to be doing a DIY. If you watched my last video, the home tour, you saw that I showed our breakfast nook, our little table, and we've been collecting a little bit of inspo. We have some ideas. We want to go a little bit more maximalist in our house, bolder prints, bolder patterns, some kind of like pop vibes. So that is what we're gonna do. We're on our way to the hardware store right now to grab some paint, and I'll show you guys the whole process.
I like this one. I think rosemary is my favorite.
Yeah, I like it too.
So I actually found this table on Facebook Marketplace. We needed like a small table for this area because it's not very big, and it took us so long to find something cool. We kept wanting something like sculptural, but those are like so expensive, and also like we love thrifting, and it like pains me to spend too much money on a piece of furniture when I know it can be thrifted. So I found it on Facebook Marketplace. I don't remember how much it was, but I'll find it and show you guys like it on the screen. But yeah, Kate thought these looked like the columns, like these little details, which is something I never would have thought of, and I can't wait to see how it turns out.
Shannon and I are really inspired by artist slash interior decorator Luke Edward Hall. We love his artwork. We love his kind of Greek inspired vibe, and that's kind of what we're pulling inspiration from today. We want a kind of like hand painted, not so perfect design on this table. So that's kind of where we're going, and we will see how it turns out. The first thing that we're doing is removing the paint off these cute little wheels. They should have never been painted in the first place. And don't mind the manicure that comes after this project, but so much cuter, the original color, I think. Now that the wheels are all cleaned off, we're just gonna give it a fresh coat of white paint. We just got some white chalk paint, and we're gonna go over that really quick, not being too precious about it. We kind of still want it to be a little messy, just completely covered. Okay, so we're done drawing out our pattern with our pencil, and we're kind of looking at it, and we're not really sure what to do about this part yet. So we might need softer lines, like a scallop, or we might want to do like a Greek key pattern. So we're gonna paint the bottom first and see what it looks like and see what it needs. Okay, also, we didn't just get one color to do the design. We're kind of taking inspiration from this picture right here. And we're gonna do like a beige color first, and then the green on top to add dimension and like more pop. All right, so it's day 2 on the DIY project. It got a little dark last night, we had to call it, but we did all of the shadow lines, and now we're going to start going over it with the green. So we decided we liked the look of the scallops. So I went ahead and did the beige shadow color all the way around. And now we just did like a little test patch right here. We might paint the whole like outer edge green. It might go back to white. We're not sure yet, but I just wanted to see what it would look like. I'm going to start doing the green outline now, and I'll show you how it goes. Okay, so the table's pretty much done. I did the scallops in green. There's like a couple little touch-ups I'm gonna do with like the chalk paint down there and just get like those little green spots off where I was a little unsteady. But she's looking real cute. So this is our cozy little breakfast nook, all finished with our table painted. Shin and I are both super happy with how it turned out. I just love that it brings more color and pop over into this corner. Eventually, we're gonna hang some art right there, and then also, I would like to add some more colors and like in the cushions right here. Shin and I want to add like some pinks or just some more color and texture in this corner along with the artwork. And I found some vintage fabric out in my garage. So these might become pillows soon. I'll keep you guys updated on that and let you know when that happens. Yeah, but overall, we're just really happy with how this little corner looks now. It's just brighter and cute. Very happy. But anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thanks.